how to connect wallet to Remint Network. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your wallet to your Remint network. So for that, through a GApp browser, if you are using a browser extension wallet like Phantom or MetaMask, you can open your wallet extension and navigate to the Remint platform or a platform that integrates with Remint like a DEX using the built-in DApp browser. And you can also connect it using Wallet Connect. Some platforms may offer Wallet Connect as a connection options. Open the DApp on your desktop and mobile browser. You have to just select Wallet Connect as the connection method. A QR code will be displayed on the screen. You have to open your wallet app like Trust Wallet and scan the QR code. And after that, you have to follow the prompts to authorize the connection. By entering your address, you can also at some platforms may allows you to enter your wallet address directly. So let me tell you about some important consideration, like be cautious when connecting your wallet to any platform and avoid sharing your seed phrase. Only connect to reputable platforms and be aware of network fees like Solana Sol when interacting with the network, and some platforms may require KYC, know your customer verification. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you can connect your wallet to Remit Network. So see you on the next video.